Hi there, I'm Neil from CJ Auto Service. Today we've got a Ford Fiesta in 1.5 diesel. It's a 2017 plate and it's quite an interesting one to talk about. So basically it's come in, engine warning light on, customers had a look themselves, we've scanned it and it come up with air intake leak. So obviously you assume there's a leak on the intake system. So this is where a real assessments come in and skill and knowledge comes in. So we've scanned it and it's come up with air intake leak. The customer's actually fitted their own mass airflow sensor. Now on some vehicles these can be about £200–300, so you don't really want to guess, and obviously it didn't fix the fault, he brought it to us, we've had a look, we've checked the basics because you have to follow the code to a degree. So we'll check the basics, check the air filter, we've smoke tested it, we've done all that, and then you go, oh well, all that's okay, so it must be something else. So I'll show you what the code says on the laptop. If you can read that. There we go. Where is it? Air intake system leak bank 1. So come back round here. So this is where following a code can cost you money. You have to know what the code means, and the best analogy you can give, a code will give you a postcode. It'll take you roughly to where you need to be, but it doesn't tell you what it is. So when you get these people that say, oh, we'll just plug it in, it's a waste of time, it's a waste of money. You do need to plug it in, but that's the start of the process. There's a lot more involved behind that. So basically with this code, you check over the basics, you go through that, but let's show you what we've found, which will explain why. So remember, it's had air intake leak, and this is what we've found. There's your timing belt. If you look at the belt, you can see that there, torch. Got all that slack on the belt. Now that is supposed to move about that much, if that tiny bit, but look, literally. There we go. So what that's done, we suspect the tension has backed off, the belt's gone slack. So what's happening now, the valves are opening at the wrong time and closing at the wrong time. So that's causing the intake issue. So we're going to strip it all down, put a new timing belt on there and tensioner. Let's see where we end up. Thanks guys.